How to use Snapchat lenses. Snapchat lenses let you add fun, interactive effects to your photos and videos. Here's how to use them. First, open Snapchat. Now here, tap the camera screen to activate your front or rear camera. Now let's say you wanna record a video. Just open the camera screen and now swipe it to the left to preview different lenses like this. As you can see, these lenses appear like here. You can also use the search bar right here to find the specific filters. Like you can search for filter like poppy, let's say, and you can get the poppy filters right here. Tap on it and find your face and your filter will be applied. And just like this, adding filter in Snapchat is super easy. You can also try different lenses from here as well. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of other videos. Thank you for watching.